Hi guys, it's Mrs. Salcetta. I'm here to show you how to complete your work for November 10th for garden class. So when you click on 1110 Live Zoom, it says today we're going to learn about pruning trees, roses, and bushes. So you're going to click on the Google slide with your name on it. So there's 4 links here. This first link is a video showing you how you should prune trees. Second video is about pruning bushes. The third video is about pruning roses. So you're going to watch all 3 videos. After you watch all 3 videos, you have a reading on slides 2 and slide 3. It's kind of big. I highlighted in yellow the more important things that I want you to take away. If you want to listen to me read, then you can click on this 4th link. It says click here to hear me read the reading to you. And so I read both of those slides to you. Once you're done, you'll have your summary frames. Yours will be blank, just the lines. And then you have to fill it in. So yours will just have like a blank line here instead. And so although I already knew that bushes need to be pruned, I learned some new information about pruning roses. And so you're going to fill in your blanks. I learned that some plants can be pruned when they're dormant. So go ahead and give me some facts. If you want a little help, then look at these yellow highlighted areas and you can copy and paste your facts from here. It says improper pruning can result in damage or weaken plants. So that's something you could copy, Control C, and then you could take it. I learned that you can highlight the blank line, Control V, improper pruning results in damage or weaken plants. And then to make that uniform, you could go ahead and take away the highlight, of course. So you're going to fill in your blanks to create your summary. Once you fill in your blanks, you could delete the spaces in between, and then that will make it look like a full summary. A lot of mine are bolded right now, so we might want to, I was doing that to show the class some examples, but you could bold it, unbold it, so that it all looks the same. And then you're left with a nice little summary about pruning plants. Yours will look a little bit different when you first get to yours, because yours will have all the blanks. So I'll show you what it will look like when you open yours up with all the blanks. So your slide 3, when you're filling in your summary frames, will start off looking like this one. So you're going to fill in the blanks, delete the spaces so that you have a nice little summary. If you have any questions, then just go ahead and comment on the assignment. You can add a class comment or a private comment if you'd like.